Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you a well-known play of John Galsworthy, and the name of the play is A Bit of Love. A Bit of Love is the story of Michael Strangebay and his wife Beatrice. Just I am going to tell you the characters of the play, especially the important character. I am not going to tell you all the characters because there are many characters in this play. I will tell you only the important characters of the play which are very important for competitive exams. The first character is Michael Strangebay. Michael Strangebay, he is a saintly clergy. He is very generous person. He is an idealist. He is very kind-hearted person. And he is very intelligent, wise. To some extent, we can say that he is the embodiment of many good qualities. He often teaches the people, he also teaches the students, and he is also a man of sacrificing nature. He is a type of saint, and he is very famous among his people across the whole village. Okay. The second character is Beatrice. Beatrice is the wife of Michael Strangebay. The third character is Dr. Desert. Dr. Desert is the lover of Beatrice. Okay. We have also here two minor characters. One is Jack Kramer, another is T.B. Jarland. Except these characters, the play includes also some other characters. But here I am not going to mention all the characters because my aim is to narrate the summary of the play in nutshell. And I think these characters which I have mentioned here, they are sufficient for this summary. So, students, now I am going to tell you the summary of the play. You should be very attentive and pay special attention to this summary. Okay. Michael Strangebay, as I have told you, that he is an idealist. He is a man of sacrificing nature. He is gentle, kind-hearted, and he also teaches the boys and girls of the village. He also teaches the people of the village. He does not like that anyone should be imprisoned. He does not like that even the animals and birds, they should be kept inside their cages. So this is the reason that once when some boys, some girls, they come to him for getting the education and he is teaching them, he at once sees that there is a girl who has a cage in her hand, and there is a lark. Lark, it is a type of bird. This lark is inside the cage. At once Michael Strangebay, he at once requests the girl to release this lark bird because he does not want that any bird or any animal should be kept inside the prison. He wants freedom for all the people. Once it also happens that he listens the sound of cuckoo bird, and when he listens the sound of cuckoo bird, he is at once reminded his wife Beatrice. Okay. Michael Strangebay, he is a very gentle person, but there is some tragedy that has happened in his life. The tragedy is this, that his beloved wife Beatrice has left him. How she had left him, just I am going to tell you. Actually, Michael Strangeway and Beatrice, they lived in a proper way. They loved to each other. Michael Strangeway, he had a special love to his beloved wife Beatrice. But one day it happened that Beatrice met her farmer lover Dr. Desart. When she met her farmer lover Dr. Desart, her love feelings revived, and she decided to live with her farmer lover and to leave her husband Michael Strangeway. So when Michael Strangeway came to know that his wife Beatrice decided to leave him and to go to live with her farmer lover Dr. Desart, his heart was broken. But he was an idealist. He did not like that any person should be inside the cage. No person should be imprisoned. So he felt that his wife realized that she was living in some cage. This was the reason that he became ready to release his wife. But his wife requested him not to disclose this fact anywhere. Otherwise, what would happen? She would get defamed, and her lover, Dr. Desart, would also get defamed. So this was the reason that she requested her husband Michael Strangeway not to disclose this thing before anyone and not to give her divorce, because if he did it, every person would come to know that his wife is faithless, and it would bring a great defame for his wife Beatrice. So Michael Strangeway, he had no other way except to release his beloved wife. Though he loved his wife very much, so it became very tough for him to be separated from his wife. Still, he was compelled by the circumstances, by his virtues, and also by his idealism to release his wife Beatrice. This was the story of Michael Strangeway. Now what happens? Once Michael Strangeway is requested by some villagers to go and to console Jack Kramer. Jack Kramer, this writer I have mentioned here. What happened? Actually, Jack Kramer lost his wife, and he was weeping, crying. His condition was very bad. Okay. So Michael Strangeway is requested to go and to console Jack Kramer. And Michael Strangeway, he goes to Jack Kramer. Actually, Michael Strangeway is famous in the whole village. If some person is in trouble, he is invited and he goes there, he consoles the person. So that's why he is famous for doing so. So here the same thing happens. Jack Kramer, he has lost his wife and he becomes very sad. He starts crying. He loses his own control because of over sadness. And Michael Strangeway, he goes to convince Jack Kramer. But here a turning point comes, because the past story of Michael Strangeway, it is disclosed by some secret sources. And the past history, the past life of Michael Strangeway, it has become the topic of discussion among the villagers. All the villagers, they have come to know that Michael Strange has released his wife, and his wife has left him. She has gone to live with her former lover, Dr. Desart. So when the villagers came to know about it, they started criticizing Michael Strange. The villagers, they say that Michael Strange, he is a very coward person. That's why he has released his wife. It is not the work of a brave person. So, even the character of Michael Strange is also discussed among the villagers. Villagers, they say that he is a coward, he is not a gentle person, he is a very weak person. That's why he released his wife. So, a type of defame is brought against Michael Strange. Michael Strange, he is very much frustrated. His image is spoiled before the villagers, and he is completely broken. His heart is completely broken. So first he decides to leave the village forever, but he thinks that if he leaves the village, still people will not leave him. Wherever he goes, people will discuss his character, people will discuss the past event which is related to his wife. People will call him coward, people will say that he is not a good person because he could not keep his wife in a proper manner. That's why his wife has left him and she has run away with her lover. So such type of criticism he has to face wherever he goes. So this is the reason that he decides to commit suicide. So while returning, he goes to a barn. Okay, he goes into a barn. Barn, you know very well that barn, it is a big room where grains are stored. Okay, it is also called granary, where grains are stored. Okay, he takes a rope, he makes a noose of the rope, and he ties the rope from the beam. He is ready to commit suicide. At the same time, some villagers, they come to know that some event or some unfortunate event, some untoward event may happen. So this is the reason that some villagers, they try to come and they stop him. But actually who comes, just I am going to tell you. Jack Kramer and T.V. Jarland. These are the two rustics. Okay. When they come to know that Michael Strange is going to commit suicide, they at once come. Jack Kramer is very much influenced, impressed by the teachings of Michael Strange. So Jack Kramer and T.V. Jarland, they come at once and they save Michael Strange, and they convince Michael Strange not to do it because the village has a great need of Michael Strange. Michael Strange, he is convinced and he decides that he will not commit suicide, and he will work for the betterment of the villagers, and he says that he will go on doing the work for the villagers, and he will love the villagers, and he also hopes that in return villagers, they will forget everything and they will also start living. So students, it was the summary of the play, A Bit of Love in nutshell. I hope that you must have understood this summary properly. Thanks.